Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The education system of any nation serves as the backbone for its progress and development. Full stop. In recent years, researchers have consistently emphasized that meaningful education reforms are necessary to strengthen both the school system and higher learning institutions. Full stop. Various studies on the subject reflect the urgent need for an enhanced framework where knowledge is not only imparted through textbooks but also gained through practical exposure and guidance from a capable mentor. Full stop. However, despite budgetary allocations increasing in many countries, the will to utilize such funds effectively depends on the willingness of the authorities to maintain transparency and remain accountable to the public. Full stop. A constructive dialogue between policymakers, teachers and parents is essential for confronting the challenges which have long plagued education. Full stop. Unfortunately, in some areas, there is an obsession with rote learning and many students become obsessed with achieving high marks without truly mastering the subjects. Full stop. True mastery cannot be measured solely by being exam ready. It requires creativity, problem solving skills, and a deeper understanding of concepts. Full stop. The heavy reliance on a narrow metric for judging performance often creates a ternary of marks where students feel pressured rather than inspired. Full stop. To overcome this, the architect of a modern curriculum must focus on flexibility, innovation, and inclusivity. Full stop. A relevant curriculum should balance traditional learning with modern skills so that education becomes a tool for empowerment rather than stress. Full stop. In this regard, several countries have initiated campaigns to promote literacy, digital awareness, and vocational training. Full stop. Some nations have even introduced a silent revolution in the way they approach teaching. Full stop. By experimenting with new methods such as project based learning and skill driven modules, schools are creating a more engaging atmosphere. Full stop. The foundational years in particular need special attention where literacy and numeracy skills are built carefully. Full stop. Without a strong base, later learning becomes difficult and uneven. Full stop. The quality of knowledge imparted must be regularly evaluated to ensure that students do not merely pass examinations but gain practical wisdom for life. Full stop. Teachers should be given adequate exposure to global best practices and regular campaigns should be launched to inspire them to become lifelong learners. Full stop. Furthermore, a mentor in every child's journey can play a decisive role in shaping character, values and aspirations. Full stop. The way forward requires courage to challenge the status quo. Full stop. True reforms demand not only financial support but also bold leadership. Full stop. It is time to replace rigidity with innovation replace fear with confidence, and replace uniformity with diversity in learning styles. Full stop. So ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM, विच इज एडिटोरियल पैसेज, एडिटोरियल लीगल मिक्स था। तो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।